Alrighty guys, what is going up? Welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about really the top 5 crypto stocks or blockchain stocks out there to buy right now. There's so much hype among crypto, and yes, is it better to invest in blockchain if you want to invest in crypto or just invest in crypto? I think it's probably better, honestly, to just invest in crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, those are really the top 2 crypto that I hold, but these other companies are going to be profiting off them, so they're going to be getting more revenue, all that good stuff, especially if they're in some of the top growing sectors, which crypto and blockchain is. So starting off with the very first one is COIN. Now this is Coinbase. So this is the mobile app and the web platform that allows you to buy, sell, send cryptocurrency, and they obviously make money from that in the form of fees and commission. So you can see this is a recent IPO, and on the IPO date, this thing popped and went from about $322 all the way up to about $430, and then immediately started selling off like crazy because a lot of people sold their shares because they made a lot of money if they were already holding shares in the private funding. So they sold a lot of shares. The stock fell to about 208, found some support near and around there. You can see it's hit that point several times. So that is the hardest support on the stock. Now, lately, we've had this huge move where anytime a stock breaks above this yellow line represents a very hard resistance. So this is the 200 moving average line. So this stock actually broke above it and actually started rallying up, almost hitting some highs here. So I definitely think that this is one to for sure keep on watch. I really think this is going to be one of the strong contenders in the future here. Stock number 2 is DocuSign. So DocuSign, the company actually uses the Ethereum blockchain to record their agreements. So this is fantastic. The company's heavily invested. It honestly sold off 7% of value. So anytime a stock sells off that much, that always brings a good opportunity to buy in on some sort of discount, right? Not to mention this thing has an amazing growth. If we actually look at the year-to-date return, right now it's only 11%. At the highs here, it was 36%. And if we actually do the year-over-year return, we're more looking at about 24%. So you can see it's a little more volatile, but still one to for sure keep on watch. Support near about 180. I don't think we'll probably get sell-off down to that point, but if we do, that's the price to buy it. It does have a tendency to use the 200 moving average line as support. So Coin used it as resistance, but when the stock's above it, it has a tendency to use it as support. Hits it. So I do think we'll probably start seeing a little buying pressure start stepping in here within the next week or so. Could sell off a little bit more. Stock number 3 is IBM. Now this is one that they've been investing in crypto, blockchain for a couple of years, and you can see that this is pretty volatile, right? It's had these crazy moves where it's gone from like 120 all the way up to 152, return of about 27%. Then immediately sold off. So right now it's actually hitting this very hard support, which is very interesting because that is a good opportunity to buy in on some support. So you could buy in, hold it, set your stops if you're going to swing trade it at like 117. So you virtually could risk, $3 or $4 to possibly have this stock go back up to some highs here within the next couple of months. So this is definitely one to keep on watch. IBM's been around for a long time and will continue to grow. Now, the next one here is it's VMware. Now this one here is a software company that has been growing at a pretty solid rate. The software provides a whole bunch of business and blockchain applications. You can see it has lows here at 103. Right now it's trading at 124. The stock is pretty volatile. You can see it's gone up and down at some pretty rapid rates. It does have that tendency to use the 200 moving average line as support. So this is definitely one to keep on watch for sure. And the company is invested into blockchain. They have software. It's a fantastic company to at least take a little stab at. But by far, probably one of my favorite stocks out there when we're talking about blockchain, crypto, is this. Nvidia. Nvidia is an absolute powerhouse. Now, I've been buying this stock for years now. I think that this is probably one of my favorite stocks. One, because it's made me so much money. Two, because I still think there is so much potential for this. Virtually every analyst is saying that this is an absolute buy. The beauty of Nvidia is Nvidia produces specialized chips designed for cryptocurrency mining, providing additional blockchain exposure. You can see huge amount of buying pressure, but the beauty of this too is you're going to be getting a stock that historically outperforms the market plus dividends. So you can see all of these dividend payouts, which is fantastic. The stock did do a 4-to-1 stock split and really just took off. Hasn't had a breather yet. You know, we had this amazing move right in here. Highs here at 323. It's an absolute bargain if you ask me. So guys, these are the top crypto and blockchain stocks that I would highly recommend buying. If you have any questions, concerns, ask them down in the comments and we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.